Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect your phone to OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. I am assuming you are already familiar with OBS, so I am not going into the basics of how to use the platform. This is more of a tutorial on how to add your phone as a camera. First, I will create a new scene and name it after my phone. I don't have any sources set up yet, so I will add one by selecting browser and naming it. When the dialog box pops up, I will adjust the settings, set the resolution to 1920 by 1080, and enable OBS to control the audio from the device. Now the important part, I have opened Chrome on my phone and gone to video.ninja. Once there, I will click Add your camera to OBS. The site finds my front-facing camera, and I can choose to switch to the back camera if I want. I will go with the front camera for now, and I can adjust it to a wider shot. You can also go horizontal or vertical depending on your preference. Once I hit start, OBS Ninja starts streaming my phone's camera feed. Now I will grab the URL from the site and paste it into OBS. After clicking OK, you'll see the phone's camera feed appear in OBS. If I go into studio mode, you'll see both my laptop and phone cameras running side by side. There might be a tiny lag, but with a strong internet connection on both devices, it is pretty minimal. This feature is fantastic if you want to add a second camera shot, maybe for an overhead or wide angle view to spice up your live stream. And that's everything you need to know about how to connect your phone to OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.